Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something special because we are on board the Ever Given, the famous Suez Canal ruining ship. Yeah, if you're not familiar with the story, I'm sure you are, but it blocked the Suez Canal for like a really long time, causing a lot of damage to the economy. And today we're responsible for not getting this vessel into that kind of position. So yeah, let's read a little bit about the Ever Given. The Ever Given is one of the world's biggest container vessels. She's mostly famous to have caused a blockage of the whole Suez Canal in March 2021. Yeah, she has a length of 400 meters, a width of 59 meters. She weighs over 200,000 tons. That's crazy. And she has a container capacity of around 20,000 containers. Yeah, so it's already 5 years ago since she blocked the canal. That's pretty interesting. Anyway, this model here is by Andrea, and he's an expert at these container vessels. Just look at this panel here, it looks really nice. I wouldn't say that this is his best model, but it's pretty good. Let's just see so that we're on a good course here. We're in the Gothenburg archipelago. We can see the Vinga lighthouse over there. We're heading towards the container terminal, which is way all over here somewhere. Here we can see the southern archipelago. Really cool. I love this little lighthouse right here. Let's see if we can get a closer peek of it when we reach nearby. Yeah, okay. Let's take a look at the outside here. You can see some nice details here in the bow area, although I think this text here could be a bit higher resolution, but hey, can't have everything. You can see the gangway here. Yeah, kind of same thing here. This texture could be a bit better, but and then there are a million containers. We can actually unload the containers real quick to see how it looks without them. This is kind of a cool view, and it shows more of the detail of the vessel. Superstructure looks cool and detailed. Yeah, I like it. Nice radars, but overall it's kind of a basic model, but you know, it has everything you need. So let's see. I wonder if we should do the southern route or the northern one. Let's try the southern route to see if we can make the turn. I think we have to start turning already then. Most likely she would never go this southern route because that's narrower, but it can be fun. And I also want to have a closer look at this lighthouse here. At least she does seem to turn. Ah, no bridge wing controls. That's a shame. Can I navigate this massive vessel? That's the question. I'm not sure. A beautiful evening though, or is it morning? Oh, it's the morning, it's 5 a.m. right. Actually, she does turn pretty well. But when getting into a port, you really need tugs for a vessel like this. This is like... She's basically a big barge. Okay, let's turn maximum. Imagine living here and then seeing this. So let's have a look at how it's looking. It's kind of a cool view. Okay, we managed to make the turn, and yeah, it's looking good so far. Unfortunately, I don't really have enough time to dock this vessel properly, so I suggest you go get it on Sim3D and try to dock it yourself. It's certainly a challenge since this is one hell of a vessel. It's absolutely massive. I mean, it feels like I'm standing in the sky here on the bridge wing. But yeah. Okay. Until next time.